with extraneous solutions. Okay? Extraneous solutions are solutions that do not work. So when you check it, they don't work in the check set. Okay, and we saw that a little bit in the graphing when at the beginning of the unit when we would graph and then the line didn't cross through the graph of the square root. So let's look at example 2. Again, it is the square root is isolated, so we're going to square both sides. On the left side we will have 6 minus x. On the right side we will have x squared. Let's move everything to the right side by adding x and subtracting 6 from the left. Adding x and subtracting 6 from the right. What's on the left hand side? 0. The right hand side will have x squared plus x minus 6. When we do the diamond, we get negative 6 and 1. What factors will work? There you go, negative 2 and 3. So we'll have 0 equals x plus 3, x minus 2. We'll set each of those factors equal to 0. Okay, and then we will get x equals what?
Negative 3.
Okay. So now we need to plug in and check our solution. So when I go to the original equation, I have the square root of 6 minus negative 3 equals negative 3. What is 6 minus negative 3? 9. Oops. Does the square root of 9 equal negative 3? No, because there's no negative out here. Okay? So this is not true. So this one doesn't work and we call it extraneous. Okay? Let's check x equals 2. What is 6 minus 2? Square root of 4 is 2. Is 2 equal to 2? Yes. So x equals 2 is the only solution. Okay, you guys do the U-try. Okay, so for U-try 3, example 3, again we're going to square both sides. But instead of just having a single term on the right side, we have a full expression. So now we have to remember how to multiply those out. So the left-hand side, we're still going to have just the 2 minus x. But on the right side, we have x plus 4 all squared. So I'm going to flip my paper over, which you could too. X plus 4 squared is the same as x plus 4 times x plus 4. And we multiply it out, we're going to get a perfect square trinomial. If you remember the shortcut, we square the first term. So x squared would be x squared. 4 squared would be 16. And to get the middle term, we multiply 4 times x and get 4x. And then we double it and we would get 8x. Okay? If you don't like the shortcut, then you can use your table method. You can use the distributive property. Okay? But this is what the right-hand side is going to be equal to. Okay? And then we do the rest the same. So we have to get the left side equal to 0 by adding x and subtracting 2. Plus 14. And now you're going to factor.